Welcome back. For those of you joining us for the first time, my name is Leanne. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian, and I have a degree in culinary arts. I'm happy to partner with CDR Naturals to provide to you a cooking demonstration today. Our goal is to provide value. We want you to learn and feel empowered to cook at home. Today we're going to be making some lightened up versions of traditional barbecue sides. Summer barbecue time is upon us. There's nothing worse than feeling sluggish after eating a heavy, creamy salad or sugary baked beans out in the heat. So let's start with the first recipe. It's a lightened up broccoli salad. For this recipe, the ingredients are broccoli, some diced red onion. I'm using a little bit of bacon. You can omit this if you would like. Some dried cranberries, and I'm using pumpkin seeds. Then for the dressing, we're using plain Greek yogurt, a little bit of honey, stone ground mustard, and some apple cider vinegar. For the dressing, we're going to put together the yogurt in a bowl, along with the stone ground mustard, apple cider vinegar, and the honey. And then I'm gonna whisk these ingredients together. The Greek yogurt kind of adds a tanginess to this. It's really nice, and it goes well with the saltiness of the bacon and the sweetness of the cranberries. Okay, so once that's mixed together, I'm gonna take my broccoli and I'm gonna add the bacon, the red onion, cranberries, and the pumpkin seeds. What I love about this is that pumpkin seeds have fiber along with the broccoli, and they're also filled with heart-healthy fats. So I'm just going to take the dressing and pour it over the top. And then you just mix it up. You can refrigerate this a few hours before serving if you want those ingredient flavors to kind of mix together a little bit more, but it's also okay to just serve this immediately after you're done mixing it up. The next barbecue side that we're gonna make is an herbed potato salad. This has no mayonnaise. It's gluten-free, egg-free, and dairy-free. What you wanna do is take your potatoes. We used red potatoes. We cut them before we cooked them. Cut them into about a 1/4 inch thick slice. Covered them with water, just a little bit of salt, and boiled them for 5 or 6 minutes. So the ingredients for this recipe, let's start with the dressing. I have some flat leaf parsley, green onion, Dijon mustard, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and just a little bit of salt and pepper. I also reserved a little bit of the cooking water from the potatoes. That'll be in there to kind of just make it more of a loose dressing. And then we have the potatoes. I have some chopped up celery and a little bit extra of the flat leaf parsley and the green onion that'll be used as a garnish on top. For the dressing today, I'm using a food processor. You could also use a blender. If you don't have one of those, you can mix these ingredients in a bowl with a whisk or a fork too. For the food processor, I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the parsley and the green onion, olive oil, lemon juice, the garlic, and the Dijon mustard. And just a little bit of salt and pepper. Put the lid on. Once the dressing is done, you can take it from your blender or your bowl, however you mixed it. And I'm just pouring it over the top of the potatoes. And it may look like it's too much dressing, but the potatoes will absorb it. Mix it up. After you put the dressing on, then you're just going to put the celery and the other parsley and green onion. Just mix it up one more time. It's nice as the celery is not cooked, so it has a nice crunch to it. When you have a soft potato and crunchy celery, it goes really well together. All right, and this can be served, again, it can be served right away as long as your potatoes are cooled. You can also refrigerate it for a few hours before if you would like, and that's how you make the potato salad. We hope that you enjoyed these lightened up versions of barbecue sides and it inspires you to get in the kitchen at home. On another note, we just want to let you know that we're going to be taking a few months off from cooking demos just because I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I can't no longer fit into my chef coat. I'm going to be having a baby. So thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next time.